But if you're reporting of, I saw the video of, hawak-hawak ba nga ng parang may-ari ng hacienda si holding this wine glass. Who, by the way, he did not hold the wine glass appropriately because you have to carry it by a stem underneath. Parang inaano mo, baby, na ganon. Diba?
Yeah.
Pero si Casimiro, ginanon yung but that's beside the point. The point is, I heard him say that, na para bang, yung pinalo sa plano. Kasi, what if it's true? We always assume na, no, we don't assume. We know Jason is dumb. But we always assume that he just said that because he's dumb. But what if it's true? Did you ever give it a thought? Now, what if it's true? Baka tumaya nga, may mga tumaya. Baka may mga katropa sila na tumaya. Kaya tayo dito sa Kasi heavy underdog pala si Kameda, di ba? So obviously, ang laki ng ganansya mo pag doon ka pataya kay Kameda. Right?